you're looking at pure potential. Take this cash. This is the opportunity of a lifetime.
All right. It's a deal.
Here are the keys to your new project. Thank you. I can't wait to start. Abandoned for years in a secluded location, this luxury vehicle now rests on a tow truck, ready to begin its journey to restoration.
All right, that one's secure. Just need to tuck the tail in now.
After years abandoned, it was time for the rust bucket to finally move.
Discovered in a state of advanced decay, this Rolls Royce Phantom sat for decades, its once pristine metallic exterior now claimed by rust.
This is it, the lost Phantom, hidden for decades. And now, the true restoration begins.
The rust is heavy, but with the right solution and some elbow grease, the shine begins to break through. The journey began here, a layer of protection to preserve the elegance, applied with meticulous care and the finest soaps.
The wheels were thick with crusted mud, making the intricate spokes almost unrecognizable. Now time has not been kind to this once majestic machine.
The powerful jet targets the R logo, cutting through years of grime. Watch as the steam rises, revealing the pristine metal underneath.
Next, locate the retaining pin at the base. Apply steady pressure with the screwdriver. Twist carefully to release the mechanism.
The car sat for decades, neglected. Now the laborious task of revealing its true form begins.
All right, let's take care of this rust. This purple solution really gets the job done. See how it's already working? Looks great. Move on to the next section.
Here you can see the before and after contrast on this classic sedan. The driver's side is heavily rusted, while the passenger door has been meticulously restored.
Time to tackle this mess.
This vacuum is powerful.
Watch all the dirt disappear.
Welcome to the garage. Today, we're looking at a truly remarkable example of automotive neglect.
The paint gun is held at a consistent distance from the car's surface, ensuring an even coat.
Welcome to the preparation phase. This classic vehicle has been meticulously masked and primed, ready for its final coat. Every detail ensures a flawless finish.
The primed surface of a classic vehicle is prepared, ensuring every curve and seam is flawless before the final coat.
I checked the bodywork one final time to make sure there weren't any flaws that needed to be addressed before applying the finishing coat.
The vehicle, carefully prepped and masked, awaits its final coating in the controlled environment.
Precision and care are paramount in this final stage of automotive restoration. The application must be flawless, ensuring a high-gloss finish. The paint needs to be applied in smooth, overlapping passes to ensure an even, high-gloss finish. I'll start with the fender and work my way across the hood.
The process of perfection begins with a flawless finish. Note the deep reflection and lack of imperfections. This is automotive paint at its finest. The Rolls Royce Phantom, fresh from the paint booth. Observe the flawless, deep blue finish under the infrared lamps.
Now, apply the masking tape along the chrome trim. Take your time to ensure a straight line and smooth out any bubbles for a perfect seal.
The next step is carefully applying the protective film to the door handle. Notice how I smooth it out to ensure a perfect fit.
Keep it tight on the seam. Check the reflection to ensure it's straight.
You need to mask around the handle perfectly. Tear a piece of tape, align it precisely, and smooth it down. Repeat the process to create a secure border.
The Rolls Royce Phantom. Its deep blue finish, accented by iconic chrome details, reflects a legacy of unmatched luxury.
The car you see before you is a testament to time. Its worn leather seats tell a story of countless miles and cherished memories.
All right, time to tackle the underlay. This section is heavily contaminated. We'll peel it back carefully to avoid spreading more mold and spores. The carpet is rolled towards the rear of the footwell. Note the precision, preserving the integrity of the pile. With the carpet clear, the floor's condition is revealed.
This is where the attention to detail truly matters. Feel the texture, guide the needle carefully through the pre-made holes, and pull the thread tight.
Open the glove box. Inside, you'll find the manual and the service records.
The heart of the machine. Only the finest leather and wood, cared for with dedication.
The interior features rich, polished dark wood trim with chrome accents and supple, light beige leather seats.
Welcome to the epitome of automotive luxury. Notice the hand-stitched leather, the gleaming burl wood, and the unmatched space.
Notice the fine details here, using a precision tool to enhance the chrome finish on the valve covers.
The next step is to replace the air filter. Ensure the new filter is oriented correctly, then press it firmly into the housing.
The process begins with a meticulous cleaning of the rim, ensuring every spoke is spotless and free of grime.
You want to tighten this down using a torque wrench to ensure it's secure. Make your clicks indicating it's torqued correctly.
The clay bar glides effortlessly over the paint, removing contaminants and enhancing the gloss. Work in small sections, applying even pressure.
The highest standard of care is paramount. We focus on preserving every detail.
The spirit of ecstasy, the soul of our machines. Placed with precision, ensuring every line aligns with the Marque's exacting standard.
The iconic chrome grille requires meticulous attention. Using a gentle wiping motion, we ensure every slat and the spirit of ecstasy are pristine.
This Rolls Royce Phantom is in pristine condition. Every detail has been attended to. I'm just adjusting this custom sheepskin mat here, just finishing the final detailing inside this amazing vehicle.
Next, use the soft microfiber towel to gently clean the polished wood and chrome accents on the dashboard.
The Rolls Royce Phantom, a symbol of unparalleled luxury, is now unveiled in its full glory.
I am absolutely thrilled to finally present this magnificent machine. The craftsmanship and engineering are simply unmatched. The finish is exquisite. Every line, every curve speaks of unparalleled luxury and attention to detail.
The engine hummed low as I navigated the familiar road, the cityscape passing by in a blur.
Welcome to the epitome of automotive luxury, the finest materials handcrafted for an unparalleled experience. Every detail meticulously engineered.
I'm ready to drive. Just looking around, it's a beauty. All right, let's go.
Precision engineering, timeless elegance. Experience the pinnacle of automotive luxury.
As the day ends, we choose the path less traveled, where luxury meets the open road.